Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Street. This is Siddhant, and in this video we will be learning the concept of subarrays. So subarrays क्या होती हैं? What are the properties of subarray? What do we mean when we use the term subarray? And what are the different problems that can come when you discuss this term subarray? How is it different from the other terminologies like subsequence? ये सब हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. And we will also work out the problem in different time complexities as well. So we will try to work out the problem of finding maximum sum subsequence, maximum sum subseries. We will work it out in O of n cube, n square, O of n time complexities, how to find out a simple subarray inside an array problem. These are some of the things that we will be discussing in the oncoming days as well. A very important point, an essential point to remember is that these are some of the very critical questions and very critical concepts that you have to understand because they are asked in product based companies and their interviews as well. तो वीडियो आज की स्टार्ट करने से पहले लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज न्यूटन स्कूल, जिनके साथ ये वीडियो कोलैबोरेशन में बनी हुई है. So Newton School is actually an edtech platform which guarantees you 100% placement, and it does by charging you 0 rupees as fee until and unless you get placed with a minimum package of 5 lakhs per annum or even more. Newton School is doing it in collaboration with a number of really great companies. Some of these can be found out on the platform, that is newtonschool.co. Newton School is also giving away courses, and these courses range from full stack development to courses designed for women and working professionals as well. And in the recent times, Newton School has started off with the Launchpad program, in which you can gain access to a number of really great courses that do completely for free. All you have to do is just enroll in these courses, and upon completion, you will be getting a course completion certificate as well. If you feel like you need to do anything related to coding, you can also do the coding related stuff in the Newton School Playground platform, where you can create your own algorithmic playground and start off coding as we have done in the previous videos. So let us start the topic in today's video, which is generation of subarrays. So let us first try to understand what is actually a subarray. So in simple terms, what is subarray? Subarray is a continuous or another term for it is contiguous part of an array. Alright. तो इसमें मतलब इसका क्या होता है कि see, if you have an array of this kind, like 3, 8, 2, 9. So the possible subarrays here are 3, 3, 8, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 9, 8, 8, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 2, 9, and 9. These are the possible subarrays. However, I will not tell that 3, 2, 9 is a subarray. Wrong. 3, 9 is a subarray. Wrong. Continuous part of the array is subarray. ठीक है, तो individually पहले 3, 8, 2, 9 will be subarray. 3, 8 is a subarray, 3, 8, 2 is a subarray, 3, 8, 2, 9 is a subarray, and so on and so forth. So you can understand, I hope that you understood the ideology behind this term subarray. subarray में ideology क्या लग रही है वो तुम्हें समझ में आ गई. ठीक है, तो subarray का concept क्या है वो हम समझ चुके हैं. Now we will try to understand कि subarrays में हम अब proceed कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, तो suppose you have an array alright, you need to find out the subarrays. Okay, now what you will do is एक लूप अपन चलाते हैं यहां से लेके यहाँ तक. What is the purpose of this loop? This initializes the starting of the subarray. All right. Next, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. This initializes. Oh, I'm extremely sorry. Next loop जो होगा वो चलेगा I से लेके less than n तक. This initializes. Extremely sorry. End of the subarray. ठीक है. अभी मुझे क्या करना है, एक थर्ड लूप चाहिए which runs from I till j and that will be responsible for the subarray thing. Understood? समझ में आई बात है ना? तो अब कैसे करना है, let us try to find it out in the algorithmic coding part. Let us create our own playground, which is subarray creation implementation portion. I will be coding in C++. int main, and what we will be doing is the next work that we have to do, and we create an array of 100 elements int n cnn for int, or rather one great thing that I can do is I can create an array only now, void subarray int a int n. Now the thing is that inside this subarray what happens is for int I equals 1 or 0, I less than n I plus plus plus. For int j equals to I, j less than n j plus plus. ठीक है. For int k equals I से लेके k less than equals j तक k plus plus. All right. And what we have to do is see out a of k. Okay. And that is it in comma. That is it, I guess. Then what we have to do is we have to print cout handle. Okay, चलो ये हमारा काम हो गया. यहाँ पे हम handle करके next line में आ जाया करेंगे each time it happens. The next thing is void subarray is done, and then we do is int main an array of 100 elements. Suppose int n cnn for int I equals 0, I less than n I plus plus. see in A of I array elements are also accepted, and then what we have to do is subarray creation, right? So yeah, that is it. Int equals 0 I less than n I plus plus cout subarray a comma n. I guess that is it. That is it. I hope that is it for this one. We actually don't need it, I guess. Function का भी ज़रूरत नहीं था. We could have easily done it single-handedly as we were proceeding. So let us see. अगर कुछ error आएगा भी तो we can sort it out. 1 2 3 4 5. Let us see. There are 5 elements. 1 2 3 4 5. Try to run it. Error आएगा भी तो we can see what is the error. See in sorry. See out spelling errors. Yeah, there is actually no need for this. There is actually no need for this. This word separate because we have to return this ना. तो void अगर हम करेंगे तो return तो होएगा ही नहीं. Instead, what we can do is take this and after accepting the array, that is it. How about this one? So that is it. This is how you can find out the subarray creation. If we have 5 elements like 1 2 3 4 5, तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा? एक होगा उसका 1, next होगा 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. These are the ones, right? 2 का में क्या होगा? 2 में होगा 2 2 3 2 3 4 2 3 4 5. ठीक है? 2 2 3 2 3 4 2 3 4 5. 3 में क्या होगा? 3 3 4 3 4 5 और 4 में होगा 4 4 5 and 5 में होगा only 5. So these are the subarrays जो कि हम इसमें पा जाएंगे subarray creation में. All right. So this is how it is simply supposed to be done, and the next video that we will be discussing in the upcoming videos is subarray में how do we find subarray sum. So that is a problem जो हम discuss करेंगे in 3 ways. Subarray sum problem is a popular question which is repeated in interviews, and subarray sum में क्या होता है कि ऐसे ही हमें subarray निकालना है, but the thing is that as we can discuss the question here. So the thing is that कि suppose you have a subarray like this, and these are the subarrays that you are getting: 3 3 8 3 8 2 3 8 2 9 8 8 2 8 2 9 2 2 9 and 9, right? Now these individual subarrays have a sum ना, like 3 वाले में एक sum आया 3. Next sum अगर हम देखें तो it is 8 plus 3 11, then 13, 22, राइट? तो ये हमारे सम आ रहे हैं. तो ऐसे ही कर करके हमें सम निकालने होंगे, सारे subarray के सम निकालने हैं, and we have to find out which sum is greater. It is also known as greater subarray sum problem. It is a very popular problem, and we will be doing it in O of n cube time complexity, O of n square time complexity, and O of n time complexity. We will try to understand why of n cube is a very worst time complexity, why it is bad, why should we not do it, and all these things we will try to understand slowly and steadily. We will be also getting the norm and the ideology of कि time complexity होता क्या है, इसको बारे में deal कैसे करना है, इसको optimize कैसे करना है, ठीक है? So that is something which we will be discussing in the upcoming videos. Till then, don't stop coding, and if you have any doubt related to this video or any ideology that I am discussing, please do mention it in the comment section below. And do like, share and subscribe if you like my way of explaining this video, and if you like the content as well, so that it reaches a wider audience. Till then, don't stop coding, take care of yourself, and goodbye.